Where does semi-classical gravity first break down? Or semi-classical gravity? I only know of classical gravity. I mean, we have the Newtonian picture of gravity and we have the Einsteinian picture of gravity. The Einsteinian picture of gravity is called general relativity. And where does that break down? It breaks down at the small scales. General relativity works at the large scales of the universe, the macro scale of the universe. But it doesn't work at microscopic scales. There are experiments that have been performed to kind of figure out to what extent does gravity work at the smallest scales. For example, if you take dust particles, do they behave gravitationally the way you expect them to behave from a Newtonian perspective, for example? So what are the limits? The limits at the small scale of classical gravity is what people have tried to do, and it's very hard to do those experiments because the particles we're using are very small and so on. But what we know for sure is that this breaks down. Classical gravity breaks down at the quantum level, quantum domain, quantum scales, which is atomic and subatomic scales. We know it breaks down there. And we can see the breakdown in the Einstein field equations, the solutions of the Einstein field equations, which are those solutions, they give rise to singularities, which is the regions inside black holes. There is also ringularity and so on, but we'll talk about the Schwarzschild black hole. Inside at the core of the Schwarzschild black hole, we have a singularity, which is a region of infinite density, infinite curvature, which is non-physical. That's this clear evidence that the equations have broken down. So it is the best theory we have, Einstein's general relativity, but it is flawed. It has a problem. And the problem is very visible in those singularities. So that is what I can tell you. I'm not sure about what other semi-classical gravity we have. I mean, Hawking's solution is semi-classical, right? Hawking's solution, which gives rise to Hawking radiation, is semi-classical. But yeah, that's what I can tell you.